friend of my dad's would babysit me sometimes when I was little. Mom wasn't in the picture, and he used to tell a story to me that scares the absolute crap out of me to this day. Dad's friend, I'll call him Bob, is driving a big rig out in the middle of nowhere, Oregon, has to make a delivery by the following morning, so he decides to just drive through the night. It's like 1 in the morning, no one else is out on the roads, hasn't seen another car in probably 100 miles. He is literally in the middle of nowhere. Suddenly, the whole entire sky lights up instantly like daylight. Bob slams on the brakes, has no idea what the hell is going on. Everything stays lit for a good solid 10 seconds. He could see everything. Whatever's happening, it's not lightning, it doesn't stop or flicker at all. Bob hunkers down, anticipating imminent nuclear devastation. Suddenly, sky goes dark again. No sound, no blast wave. He sits there in the middle of the road waiting for almost 5 minutes, then decides to keep going. Figures a meteor or something. Goes about 2 miles up the road and sees a car with its flashers on stopped in the middle of the road.